Welcome. If you're tired of seeing Gmail attachment notifications pop up on your lock screen and want a cleaner, distraction-free experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable those Gmail attachment notifications on your lock screen with the latest updated process. Let's jump straight into it. First, unlock your phone and open your Settings app. This is where you control all the important aspects of your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Apps. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find and select Gmail from the apps list. Tapping on Gmail will open its specific app settings. Here, choose Notifications. In this section, you'll see all the different types of notifications Gmail can send. Look for notification categories tapping. This will reveal a more detailed breakdown of the notification types. Among these, find and tap on Attachments. This is the category controlling notifications about email attachments. Now here's the crucial part. Tap on Lock Screen within the Attachments Notifications settings. You'll be presented with some options about how notifications appear on your lock screen. To completely stop seeing attachment notifications on your lock screen, select Don't Show Notifications. And that's it. With these steps, Gmail attachments won't show up while your phone is locked, giving you a tidier lock screen and fewer interruptions throughout your day. If you want to reverse this at any point, just follow the same steps and choose your preferred lock screen notification visibility. This quick customization makes managing your notifications easy and tailored exactly to your needs. Thanks for watching.